see little ice crystals coming down. Very, very fine. You can kind of see them on the ground, maybe. Little ice crystals. Didn't sound like a crow. That might have been a raven. That was weird sounding. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh yeah, now you can really see it. On the darker pavement, it really pops. But yeah, it's raining little ice crystals right now. They're ever so tiny. There's Remington. He hasn't seen me yet, but he will. Hey, Hagrid. I'm just sniffing around. Morning, boys. Always pooping. Okay, I'll let him poop in privacy. I don't need to be watching that. Seems little dogs are staying in today. And the chickens are staying in too. It's really not that bad out. I think yesterday was colder. Oh, I see a crow back there. Where's he going? Where's all my crows? I hope someone shows up. I saw a crow go that way. But my usual friends aren't here. They ate all the snacks from yesterday, so... Huh. Well, I'm gonna go towards where I saw one crow. So let me turn this around for a second. It's... Oh, I see a crow just passed me. He's not stopping though. I wanted to show you, can you see the little flecks of snow and stuff on me? It's coming down a little bit. I think the flakes are getting slightly bigger. So, we're at the skate park. There's a crow right up there by the shoes. Those shoes have been there forever. One down there. Well, looks like I'm going to go to you. Unless you're coming to me. Just move spots. He's a little closer. Okay. I think he may have seen me. He's right there now. I'm coming. Oh, this is the second one. Hey, what are you doing? Where? No, not you two. Dang it. I was bringing you treats. Alright. I don't know if I'm going to feed any of my buddies this morning. I'm going to check out the stream at a different spot. Now, technically I'm not supposed to be back here. There is a no trespassing sign. You can see like homeless people have crashed back here. Ooh, that was a flicker. But it's Super Bowl Sunday. I don't think they're going to be in this building today. It's a chemical storage unit. They house boron, I think. But yeah, people aren't supposed to be back here. But I had to show it because it's such a cool hidden area. I've seen big old fish zipping through here in the summer. This goes back a ways. You see people have been back here. You can go back a little ways. But I'm not going to climb through all that. I'm going to go back a bit. I can see like traffic and stuff from here. It's a weird spot to watch the street. Not that you can see on my camera very well. But, yeah. People's junk in the water. I'd like to clean it up. But I need like some rain boots to get in there and get it all. Anyway, so this is my other secret spot that I rarely come to. But Super Bowl Sunday, so I don't think anyone's going to be around. Walking down Main Street, there's hardly any cars. That's, you know, because everyone's preparing for the Super Bowl. Ooh! Hey! Hey, there you guys are! Okay. 1 second. Good timing, you found me. I was hoping you'd see me on the way back on my little crow loop. Where's your friend? There you are. Okay. Here we go. Oh, it's peanut heavy too. Oh, you guys are gonna be happy. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, he just swooped down. I didn't quite catch it though. But he's gonna get it. Yeah. Yeah, lots of peanuts. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. That was really good timing. Oh, there goes one. It just flew by. Was it one of the same ones? Probably. Let's cut through here. I'm walking by Dick and Jane's spot right now. I never noticed the blue guy. There's always some detail I'm noticing for the first time. There's just so much to look at. It's a crazy place. The sun's just barely trying to peek out. And here's the police station. I can hear some crows down there. It's probably over more towards where I left the treat. I don't know. I see a couple chickens. I see the 3 brown ones. Okay, so where's the black one? Is it still sleeping in? I guess it's sleeping in. Because I just see you 3 girls. Alright, well, I'm gonna get home. Some crows back there. I don't know if we'll find them. I see them flying off. I'm too late. And the boys are back inside. They probably just came out to do their business because it's cold. And they're not young puppies. They should be inside where it's cozy. There's one magpie sitting right on top of my tree. He flew down. I mean, that's basically my tree. It's right in my backyard. Oh, this Velcro. Kitty. Look at that sweet kitty. Well, I'm gonna get in, and pretty soon we're gonna be making pizza for the big game. I got 2 pizzas in the freezer. Yeah, we're ready.